Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Big Al's Fishing Addiction. This is Big Al here. Hey, I'm just getting ready to put on a Trol-A-Matic on my new boat, a Bayliner Capri. It's actually my first real boat that I'm going to actually be able to use. I had one before, but I sold it before I can take it out. This one, I'm definitely taking it out. So I'm going to put a Trol-A-Matic on there so we can troll for Kokanee. Eventually, I'm going to put some rod holders on and some downriggers, but we're going to start with the Trol-A-Matic first. Stay tuned. Let's put this thing together. Thanks for watching. Okay, so we got the plate on. We haven't drilled any holes yet. You want to put some clamps on there. You want to get about the same diameter on each side. So we measured everything. Everything looks good. It's about as close as we're going to get it. You want to come over here and mark your holes. There's 4 holes underneath here. Mark your holes. Okay. A couple more holes underneath. I got the holes marked. Then you take a 1/4-inch drill bit, drill real slow. You don't want to crack the plate. Don't want to crack the plate. Okay, I think we got it where we want to. Now let's get drilling. Some people say take off the prop. We're going to try it without the prop. Drill these holes, and to be continued. People coming along. So the trick is make sure you drill your holes very straight. I did pretty good except for the bottom holes, but it's okay. We're almost there. And when you're tightening this thing, make sure you don't over tighten it or you'll crack the plate. So just do it enough where it's, feels secure. Probably should check them, after a few times of using it, make sure they're still tight. It's a lot of pressure with all the water and everything like that. Other than that, I think we got it. This last one to tighten up. Hopefully we can get trolling with this. About 1.3, 1.5 would be perfect. Hoping that, and eventually, obviously, we're gonna get like an electric trolling motor for the front, mini coda, remote control, one thing at a time. I want to thank you all for watching. Next is going to be the rod holders and then the downriggers. You guys have a great day.